ready. Ooh, ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna do a little Christmas vlog starting with baking. I am starting the baking process right now. Currently I am rubbing the butter and the sugar together, so I'm gonna show you guys that and the whole baking process, along with a lot of other different things that I'll be doing for this Christmas season, a Christmas vlog. So keep it watching. We are done. Alright guys, so now I've cracked some eggs, and this is 1.5 dozen eggs because I think I'm gonna bake about 11 cakes, 11 to 15 cakes thereabout. So we're gonna add some rum to this and whip this up to add this mixture to the cake batter. So now I'm gonna pour the rum. Pour some rum, some Ray and Nephew rum, Jamaican rum. Done. Okay, so we transferred the butter and the sugar to this bucket, and then I'm gonna pour the egg mixture into it. Then we mix this up together. On nicely. So then I'm gonna pour the mixed fruits and fruit wine in here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sieve some flour in here with some baking powder, and also a tip: if you want your fruit cake to be rich, you should allow the raisins or the fruits to soak in the wine for a long period of time. So let's get to sieving the flour in here right now. And please note that sieving the flour allows for natural air to get trapped within the flour and for it to have a little bit of raising from that, along with the baking powder. Now I'm gonna add baking powder to the flour. So we add about 2 tablespoons of baking powder to the flour, and we're gonna add some nutmeg as well. Nutmeg. And we're gonna add some nutmeg to the flour mixture and the baking powder mixture, and some mixed spice to it as well. Also, I didn't tell you guys, but we use a 2:2 ratio for this cake mixture, like 2 pound of butter to 2 pounds of sugar. Right now in this bowl we have 2 pounds of flour. Might add some more as you go along depending on the thickness of the mixture. And overall we'll probably get about 11, 12 or 13 cakes, but we'll see in the end. So adding the mixed spice to the mixture as well. And so I'm gonna mix this up now. And I want you guys to know I'm not an expert baker, but I had done baking when I was attending community college, Montego Bay Community College. I did baking course and I enjoyed that. But here baking with my mother right now, and it's going really well, and I can't wait for you guys to see the results. Add some flour to the baking mixture. And just so you know, now that we're adding the flour to the mixture, we're only gonna be able to mix in one direction. If we don't mix in one direction, the cake will not rise. Okay? So depending on the stiffness of the cake and the amount you want to yield, you can add wine and then flour and so on, but not too much to go overboard. So far we have added 2 pounds of flour. I'm gonna add a little more, probably have half pound more or 1 pound more flour to the batter. We're gonna add some rose water to the mixture and some almond water to the mixture. This is the rose water that we added, the almond. Now for some vanilla to add flavor. And of course, this is the vanilla that we've used, Benjamin brands. So now we're gonna add this browning. We're using the Eve brand browning. You can't use any brand browning, but we're using this brand to add some color to the cake mixture to get it brown. And as you can see, the color is changing as we add the browning and mix it. Add some more browning to get it a little darker. So guys, so this is basically it. We're finished. This is finished. This is looking lovely. Now we're gonna prepare the pan. I'm gonna prepare the pans to put the mixture in, bake it, and you'll see the results in probably 45 minutes. So the cakes are ready. Ooh. Ready. This is about 2, 4, 6, 8 cakes.
Alright, I'm gonna treat. Put the onions in there and put them in quick.
So they're all inside now. 9 in total, about 45 to 1 hour, and they'll be baked. Alright, so here we have the finished products. Ooh, this one have a birth, but this is love. Here we go. This is another one. And another one. So now we're gonna do the taste test. So now for the taste test, let me cut it. Oh. Ooh, look at it. Look at that. Ooh. Tastes really good. thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll definitely see you in our next video.